Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making chimichangas. Now this is not authentic, but it is delicious and it's easy to make. So let's do what we do and make it happen. For this recipe, I'm using a store-bought roasted chicken. I'm going to separate the meat from the skin, and we're going to use a lot of the meat. So I'm just gonna chop up a pepper. This is a jalapeno. Going to dice it. We're only gonna use half of this because it's big. Now we have some green onions, and we're going to slice them. No refried beans. We're going to open this can. They're really easy to make. I might do a video on how to make them, but there's a million videos of that. Truthfully, it's a million videos of everything. Set that aside. I'm going to use some chili powder, some ground cumin, some salsa, a 4-cheese Mexican blend, some sweet basil, some olive oil, and some oregano. We have a large bowl here, and we're going to add in some salsa. We're going to add our chicken. Remember, this is cooked. It can come from you can cook a chicken yourself. You can use chicken breast. You can use a rotisserie or a roasted chicken that has been pre-purchased. It's all good. We have chili powder, oregano, basil, salt, cumin. We have jalapeno, and we have green onions. They go inside. We have a 4-cheese Mexican blend that goes in. And refried beans. Now that everything's inside, we're just going to mix it up. Everything gets mixed up until everything is evenly distributed. And this is our chimichanga filling. We have some of our mixed up filling. We're gonna put it on a tortilla. This is a flour tortilla. This is a 6-inch, but you really want an 8-inch for that. But I only have 6 inches, so that's what we're gonna use. You use what you got, right? And we're just gonna fold it like a burrito. Up like this, a little more in at the top. And we roll it up like that. That's all it is to it. I'll show you one more time. Get that filling in there. Spread it out, but not too far. You want these kind of fat. And roll them up like burritos. I'm going to add some olive oil to this pan. And I'm going to let it get hot. You want a plate with a little paper towel, so when they're done, they can drain a little. You can also do these in the oven, 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. But brush them with some oil before you put them in the oven. But, you know, we're going to fry. When you get them in here, do not overcrowd the pan and put them down seam side down first. We're going to brown these on all sides. Perfectly cooked. Okay, here they are. I'm going to add some salsa. Guacamole. Sour cream. Some green onions. The ingredients is in the description below. Alright, that's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.